Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. So today I'm taking you through a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how I do knotless braids on my short 4C hair. And I have already partitioned my hair into these small braids, and this is how my hair looks like. So the reason I've done these braids is because it takes less time compared to when you just section while braiding, and we are saving on time. And yeah, so for the braids I'm using these braids from Darling, number one, which is black, and they're long. So these are pamoja braids, and I'm going to use only 4 packets. So I hope they're enough for us to use. The other tools I'm going to use are this to reduce shedding. This is for parting, and this is to comb through the hair to remove the knots, and this body oil for it to reduce shedding. And yeah, so the first thing I do is just check the shedding hair, and this is how the hair is. This is how the bundle looks like, and it's black. So I take the body oil and just put a generous amount, and just like that. Then use this comb and remove any small section of hair left. And next I'm going to section this hair into 2, so I can use just a bunch of it. So I'm going to use this bunch, and the other bunch I'm just going to tie a knot like this. I'm going to start with the back side, and I already did the first 2 lines where I had section. So I'm going to section my hair to the desired size I'm doing. Then I tie the leftover hair with a scrunchie. Next I'm going to section the braids, and I'm going to section the braids into varied sizes, starting from the smallest to the largest. And yeah, so let's section the hair. For braiding, I'm going to part my hair into 3, just like that. Then I'll start braiding from the roots with my hair. Then I'll add a small section of the braids while braiding. So I just add it like that and start braiding. Then I add another hair, and yeah, just repeat the same process until we get the perfect size. Then we braid it till the end.
We are sit the honey for the day, baby. Bad man, we no stray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I see your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch, and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me love you. We are standing for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. And if you let me love you, Shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas he's off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I'm seeing love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love you.
And when I did see you, you treat me like shit because I'm just some girl who doesn't know what she wants. And you have a path, and you're going to be.
Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why